and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is for traveling. You actually use them to organize your suitcase, which I think is amazing. So it comes in this little travel bag, and it is by that brand right there. Let's go ahead and open her up. So these are just like storage travel bins, and you can actually use this as well. You can put like makeup, something like that, just smaller things in there. It has this size right here. It's just so that you can organize, like if you put underwears and socks in one, makeup, you can do t-shirts, pants. This is this size. Then they have some bigger ones if you're wanting to do bigger items. And then there's this one, which is another bigger size. And then another small one. So there's two big sizes like this. You have two medium sizes and then two small sizes. So as you can see, it does have a double-sided zipper. One side is for unzipping to where you can get some extra storage length if you need it. And the other zipper is for actually putting stuff into here like so. But let's go ahead and see what it looks like in use. Okay, as you can see, this is how well it fits inside the luggage. So I have my makeup bag right here. I have a makeup mirror. I have shorts, and this is at least a week's worth. And you can see I didn't even put this one on the extended. If you do that, I would get even more space. You can see I could probably fit about 2 weeks of clothes in each thing. And this is a smaller suitcase. This one I did extend. I have t-shirts, and then I have underwears and socks in this one. And it's just going to make sure that you can like just organize everything really nicely. And then you can also take one of these, put the shorts and shirts together, and then use one as like a dirty laundry little hamper thing. And then you can just buckle this together, and then you'd be good to go. Okay. Just go like that. And then you're good to go to pack. So they work amazing. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.